I don't know if the stock market has ever been so certain. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky here with Talk Solutions. Just a friendly reminder that today at 2 p.m. Eastern time or at 11 a.m. Arizona time, I'm going to be live streaming the FOMC meeting where the Federal Reserve is going to announce an interest rate hike or an interest rate pause. And I don't think that the market's ever been so certain that there's going to be a pause. Check this out. According to the Fed rate monitor tool, this thing was around 70% yesterday. Now we're sitting at 97.7% probability, only giving the possibility of a 2.3% probability of a potential interest rate hike. This tool is stating that there's a 97.7% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to pause. This is going to be huge for the market. And if we look at where the market's at right now, I mean, we're literally at 52-week highs. Looking at the day chart, we're trading at 366, and we're getting really close to the highs that we made back in March of 2020. Literally, I mean, we were like about $2 to $3 away from that. But if you even go back to like late of 2021, if I'm not mistaken, we're beyond those levels, right? And it's insane because just a couple of months ago, we were at 52-week lows, and now we're sitting at 52-week highs. It just shows how quickly the market can change. TQQQ hit highs of $40 today. We did just get a quick little sell signal, but again, when looking at the 5-minute time frame, we're sitting pretty far above that moving average and far above that EMA line. A lot of people are asking me what I'm doing to prepare. Again, just because I do something doesn't mean that you need to, but I love sharing my ideas with a lot of people that are just getting started. One of my favorite things to do is to stay cash during an FOMC meeting, meaning that I don't have an open position. This allows me to trade the reaction of the market without taking on any form of risk. Now, if you want to go bullish, if you want to go short, that's solely up to you based off of market. Market has its set expectation. The Federal Reserve can do something completely different, and the market can react in a completely different way. We all know that the market can be very confusing at times. So to keep things simple for myself, again, I've been burned enough that I don't want to put myself in a tougher position. I'm choosing to stay cash, and once the market does react, I would love to trade that market reaction, and I'm actually going to be hopefully taking a couple of trades during today's FOMC live stream, which again is going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time or at 11 a.m. Arizona time. I would love for you to tune on in, and all I literally ask you to do is get this video to over 1,500 likes, drop a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. You do have to turn on your post notifications so YouTube alerts you when it is that we go live. I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware that in 2 hours and 15 minutes, that's when the FOMC meeting is going to be from the time I'm filming this video, but also to be aware that, again, the set expectation that this Fed rate monitor tool has, and that's at 97.7% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to pause. I am intrigued to see if the market reacts in a positive or negative way based off of this pause, because a lot of people are thinking things are already getting factored in. And if it's already factored in, then the market could potentially sell off. The market could rally. No one knows exactly what's going to happen, which again goes back to the root of everything. This is why I'm choosing to stay cash. Again, if you want to save your link for the free live FOMC meeting today, that's going to be the first link in the description down below. And don't forget, if you ever have any questions, especially as a complete beginner, feel free to shoot me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram. And it's all linked in the description down below. So really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that we're in thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.